everybody. My name is Stephen Meek. I'm an independent artist. Love Collision. Play with my 5Bs. They're the best drumsticks I've ever played with. They sit so comfortably in my hands. They're durable. I haven't broken a pair. They're versatile if I'm playing something heavy from heavy metal, or I want a lighter touch with some jazz or anything in between. They're very, very smooth. Best drumsticks I've ever played with in my 40 years of experience. So what I'm going to play for you now is just some rudimentary warm-up exercises that I normally go through every day, and just to demonstrate how great these sticks really are. Thank you. Have a good one.